एलिमेंट्री माय डियर वॉटसन, ये बात इन्हें समझ में नहीं आती. प्लीज एक्सप्लेन टू हिम.
Actually, in GST Council, all the decisions are taken unanimously. This is the irony of the situation, that they support in the meeting and they oppose in the TV debate. I challenge Anand ji or Sanjay Jha ji. Can he show any in the previous 7 years the note of dissent and opposition which the finance minister has put forth in the GST Council? No, sir. और दूसरी बात, इसीलिए मैं कहता हूं, कितना झूठ बोलकर कितना दुष्प्रचार करते हैं अंदर. इस बार भी 2 states were opposing, Kerala and Karnataka, and a situation came in which it was thought that there has to be voting. Then it was decided, no, it is a tradition that everything should go unanimous. So ultimately all of the states agreed. और यहां पर आकर कुछ और कहने लगते हैं. And second thing I would like to say, that it is being done because at the initial stages several taxes has been undertaken by the previous state governments. मैं चैलेंज करके पूछता हूं, कांग्रेस के शासनकाल में दुबे जी और संजय जी, बता दीजिए कि क्या पनीर पर टैक्स नहीं लगता था जब जीएसटी नहीं था? स्टेट गवर्नमेंट जो टैक्सेस लगाती थी, बता दीजिए कि कौन सा दूध पे नहीं लगता था, कि पेंसिल पे नहीं लगता था, कि किस चीज पे टैक्स नहीं लगता था. फिर उसको इसलिए ग्रेजुअल ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन देना था, इसलिए 4 स्लैब्स में लाकर अब जब चीजें स्मूथ हो गई हैं तब उसको 2 में कन्वर्ट किया जा रहा है. एक साइड करने से राज्यों को बहुत डिफिकल्टी और टर्बुलेंस होता कैलकुलेशन में, इसलिए किया गया. सेकेंड थिंग, पता नहीं आप लोगों को कौन सा रहता महंगाई चरम पे. भाई साहब, महंगाई इज एट 1.5%. ये कौन से भरम में आप हैं कि आपको अभी भी चरम पे नजर आ रही है? ये तो मुझे लगता पता नहीं. और मैं आई वुड लाइक टू आस्क लास्ट क्वेश्चन टू माय डियर फ्रेंड मिस्टर विवेक. ही इज सो विहेमेंटली सपोर्टिंग राहुल गांधी. तो जरा विवेक जी बता दीजिएगा, इन केरला हाउ मेनी एडवाइजर्स ऑफ राहुल गांधी यू हैव इंप्लीमेंटेड? अब बता के जाइएगा, भागिएगा नहीं.
हम तो सर
जहां आपकी सरकार है,
गूगल सर्च, आई कैन गिव यू माय स्पेक्टिकल्स.
और भाई साहब, चीनी पे तो आपको इतना, अरे इतना चीन पे चीनी आने लगती है कि भैया शुगर खो जाएगी आप.
नहीं, चीनी तो बहुत अच्छी चीज है. हर चीज चीनी बढ़िया है आजकल. प्राइम मिनिस्टर का
ज्यादा चीनी से डायबिटीज हो जाता है, डिपेंडिंग ऑन विच चीनी यू आर टॉकिंग अबाउट.
मैंने तो अपने प्राइम मिनिस्टर की इतनी तारीफ करी कि कम से कम देर आए दुरुस्त आए. भाड़ में जाए डोनाल्ड ट्रंप, नई दोस्ती जिंदाबाद. और देखिए, हाँ, मैं तो आई एम वेरी हैप्पी एंड आई एम हैप्पी अबाउट इट एंड आई डोंट हाइड माय हैप्पीनेस. दूसरा, आनंद भाई, आनंद रंगनाथन जी ने कहा कि साहब जीएसटी टैक्स कलेक्शन देखो कितना सारा हो रहा है, क्या बढ़िया स्पेक्टेकुलर है. सर, जितना हमने कॉर्पोरेट लोन्स माफ कर दिए ना, वो ज्यादा नेगेटिव में चले गए हो. जरा वो भी देख लो. $700 बिलियन के ऊपर का जो ऋण है, वो भी देख लो.
योर नैरेटिव ऑन वोट चोरी, वो एटम बॉम्ब फुस हो गया. आपका कास्ट सेंसस एनडीए ने भी अनाउंस कर दिया, दैट हैज बिकम अ फुस. इन्फ्लेशन हैज बीन एड्रेस्ड थ्रू द जीएसटी rationalization, since reform is a bad word in today's debate. GST rationalization, please note Sanjay Jha, GST rationalization. Operation Sindoor surrender, well, it's a failed pitch because the country doesn't believe that. SCO, the Prime Minister has scored for India and everybody in the world is taking note. So then, Suresh Mehrotra ji, what is the issue? Why is the opposition just Santosh Mehrotra ji, I beg your pardon, Santosh Mehrotra ji, why is the opposition so up in arms? In fact, the GST that was brought in by the BJP Sarkar now, and I'm quoting Arun Jaitley in 2011 when the bill was first brought by the Congress party, he said there was no compensation for states. The BJP has now taken care of that as well and simplified it for the people. Is timing the only issue that the opposition has really to crib about the new rationalization?
I don't know, ma'am. I am not a member of the opposition, so I don't know why you are putting a political question to me. I'm an economist, and that's why I thought you called me, because I'm the only economist.
Unless the economist's assumption is that they live in a vacuum where politics does not exist.
Well, you already have 5 other people to answer your question, ma'am. Why do you need a 6th?
Because political economy is the name of the game, sir.
Okay, may I try and attempt to answer the substantive question that you are asking, ma'am?
Yes.
Given that you've given me the honor of coming in last, despite the fact that I'm the only economist on the show, let me just remind everyone on this panel that it was the Congress party which actually mooted the GST long ago. And Sanjay Jha was absolutely spot on when he said that the then Chief Minister of Gujarat systematically opposed it and opposed it for a full 10 years. It's very nice that finally in 2017 the tax was implemented. However, unfortunately, the tax was implemented in a manner that was deeply flawed, and most independent economists like myself and the chief economic advisor of the BJP government in the center himself suggested that there should be only two rates. So in other words, the two-rate idea was already there. And the fact of the matter is that not only did you get 5 rates, you actually till yesterday have 45 rates. You have 45 rates, not even 5, ma'am. That's why the confusion. And that is why a study came to the conclusion last year that as a proportion of GDP, the 17 taxes that were subsumed into the GST in the year 2017, those were contributing X percentage of GDP, and that actually fell. That is why the compensation tax was needed. Compensation cesses were needed and states were being compensated. More important point, it's only last year, after a full 8 years, that the contribution of GST to GDP, in other words, GST as a share of GDP, came back to the level prevailing in 16-17. So let's not keep patting ourselves on the back that, GST has contributed to massive increases in tax revenue. It has not, because total tax revenue to GDP of the government has remained at the same 17.5%, which it was when it came to power. So the fact of the matter is that you've had a very poorly designed tax, which was badly implemented because even the Infosys was at war with the government 2 years ago, you will recall, because the user system had not been worked out with the users.
Dr. Santosh Mehrotra, I completely respect your views, but after giving me a lecture on how I should not have asked you a political question, you went right ahead and addressed the first political person and his statement on the show. Well, there's a political economy for you, but Sudhanshu Trivedi ji, questions raised by Santosh Mehrotra ji, please respond.
Mehrotra ji has completely exposed the opposition. What he has said in the last sentence, that after a gap of 8 years, the taxes to GDP ratio has come to the level of 2016. It means, Sanjay Jha ji, thoda kaan khol ke suniye, and Vivek Srivastava ji and Dubey ji. It means the taxes were less during the last 8 years as compared to previous. And you were saying the taxes were excess. So Mr. Mehrotra has clearly exposed you that the taxes to GDP ratio was consistently lower in the last 8 years as compared to the previous one. And second thing,
you misunderstood.
Sir, अब अपने टर्न पे बोलिए, sir. I have understood what you want to say. You have said that the Chief Minister of Gujarat has opposed it, but you didn't dare to say Mamata Banerjee supported, yes or no? Sir, it was a part of UPA. Mamata Banerjee supported, yes or no? Akhilesh Yadav supported, yes or no? Mayawati supported, yes or no? Sir, there is no answer. So that's why from the very beginning you take a political stance, and I have asked again, I give you with humble submission, can you tell me how many UPA allies have supported GST? Kindly tell me. Kindly tell me how many UPA allies were supporting GST?
No, nobody did.